Hi, what are you doing?
Playing time.
You're playing with Thomas? Wow, they look very, very colorful engines. Do you want to learn about their colors? Or do you already know them?
I already know them.
Oh, can you teach me some of that?
Yeah.
Thank you. Wow, that's an awesome engine. This is Thomas. What color is Thomas?
He is blue.
Blue! Amazing! Oh, yeah, Tash! Hello, let me go! Oh, come on. This is another awesome engine. It's called Percy. What color is Percy?
She is green.
Green! Ah, those are some... They can go on a track too. Oh my god, I got another engine for you. Whoa, this is James. What color is James?
Red.
Red. Whoa, they attach. Oh, I got a card for you. This is Toby. What color is Toby?
Brown.
Brown. You are good. Okay, I got somebody else. Oh, this is Squeaky Engine. Oh, what is the name of this engine? This is Rosie, I think, right?
Yeah.
What color is Rosie?
Pink.
Pink. I got another engine for you. This is an awesome, awesome engine. I think this is Charlie.
No.
This is not Charlie?
Yeah.
He is Charlie. Okay, what color is Charlie?
Purple.
Purple. That's an awesome color. I think it's a good color, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. I got Molly. Molly, Molly, Molly. Boop, boop. Molly. Molly, what color is Molly?
Yellow.
Good job. I got a tricky question for you. Are you ready for a tricky question?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I have got... This is Emily. Is this Emily?
Yeah.
Ah, what color is Emily?
Dark green.
Dark green. So you have a green, which is Percy. Beep, beep. And you have a dark green, that is Emily. You're good. Tricky question. Ready? This is a big engine. My name is Hero. Hero of the railroads. What is my color?
Black.
Black! Good job! Another one. He is an awesome engine. His name is Stanley. What is my color?
White.
White! This is Murdoch. He's a big engine. He got a little tender in the back because he needs a lot of power. What color is it?
Orange.
Orange! Okay, here we go. We have got another very, very strong engine. His name is Spencer. What color is Spencer?
Silver.
Silver! Okay, here is the most trickiest question for you. We have got the old Hero. Hello, Thomas. My name is Hero. I am the master of the railroad. Oh, what colors do I have? I have a lot of colors. What colors do you have? Do I have?
Green and blue and black.
Oh, good job. Give me a high five. Oh, he is.
Pink.
Thomas is.
Blue.
Percy is.
Purple.
Percy is.
Green.
James is.
Red.
Toby is.
It is no, brown.
Brown. And Murdoch is.
Yellow. No. That is orange.
Stanley is.
White.
Hero is.
Black.
Emily is.
Dark green.
Molly is.
Yellow.
Who is this? Charlie?
Yeah.
Charlie is.
Purple.
Spencer is.
Silver.
Yay! Good job.
Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for